again, everyone. So now we're moving on to part 2 of from the previous video where we got the dashboard up and running. So now for this part, we're going to be installing the gateway on top of our dashboard itself. So I'll be using the same method which I use to install the dashboard itself, which is basically referring to the documentation. Just before we start, this is my gateway up and running on port 3000. So if you want to do a health check, it's also possible over here, and yes, status is fine, everything is working fine on my dashboard, but I do not have any gateways or any pumps configured for it. So let's start. So before we start off, let's take a look at how we can install the gateway on RHEL following the documentation itself. First and foremost, ensure that port 8080 is open and just follow the prerequisites for this command itself. I think we did it previously when we were installing the dashboard, so we can only look at this part. Again, you need to create a file called gateway repo, the same way how we created a file for the dashboard itself. So let's go over here and let's just select this whole thing, copy. Okay, so head over to repos and here you go, and paste. Similarly, you're gonna change the version numbers to your respective versions using 8 and save, and that's done. So we have the dashboard and the gateway. So again, moving back to the document page. That's done. So next, what you need to do is install the gateway. Okay, you have to take note that you have already installed Redis previously, so you can ignore this Redis command and just install the gateway. Okay. So while that is running, we can move off to actually looking at the other parts. Okay, so for the Redis section, I think we've already done it for the dashboard, so we can safely ignore that. Next, we'll be moving on to configuring the gateway with the dashboard using the helper script over here. Okay, you just need to modify the Redis hostname, and that's about it. The rest is all by default. Okay. Okay, so let's select the once that's done, select this name and we paste. As you can see, we have the Redis host as my local host and the Redis port as 6379, and done. So that's it. So what do you need to do next? So of course, we will need to go back to the documentation and you can start the service. Gateway, and we can check the status of the gateway. There you go, the gateway is up and running. Curl point to the gateway. We can restart the gateway. Dashboard. refresh here. Set licenses, and there you have it. This is your gateway being registered. And done. So your gateway is up and running and is communicating with your dashboard. Alright, that's all. Thank you.